There are approximately 100 dry cleaning businesses in Washington, many of which use a chemical called perchloroethylene, or PERC, to dry clean clothing and other delicate items. While the results are often miraculous, they come at a heavy price. PERC, you see, is toxic and known to cause cancer. It's also hazardous to the environment and can result in complicated, costly cleanups for businesses. Through the Product Replacement Program, Washington's Department of Ecology has successfully transitioned 61 dry cleaning businesses in Washington to safer alternatives, like professional wet cleaning or high-flash hydrocarbon. But there are still dozens of PERC-based businesses remaining. Is yours one of them? Now is the time to take advantage of Ecology's product replacement reimbursement and get up to $40,000 for switching to professional wet cleaning, or $10,000 for high-flash hydrocarbon. Both do an outstanding job cleaning garments. Professional wet cleaning uses only water and detergents instead of caustic chemicals. High-flash hydrocarbon still uses chemicals, but it's not as hazardous as PERC. Making the switch is easy. Just purchase new equipment, safely get rid of the old equipment, and get reimbursed by the state. Reach out to Ecology for assistance, and one of our friendly technicians will connect you with a pollution prevention specialist to walk you through the process.
You're gonna pump it out, take it out from here, put it into this little drum here.
Ecology will be on hand with equipment to monitor that workers use personal protective equipment and properly manage the waste.
So it's called a PID meter. What it does is it helps to monitor air quality levels. And anytime you see higher than the threshold, this starts to beep red, beeping that there's a higher threshold level in the air.
Installers will take the necessary precautions to ensure no PERC is spilled while they remove the chemicals.
And then they have these different mats to kind of absorb the sludge as well. And then they have a fan to kind of blow out all the PERC so that it's it's well ventilated,
And business owners ready to do the right thing, like Rigoberto, can rest assured they're making the right choice.
Do you think you would have been able to do this without help from Ecology?
Without? No, because I need supervision from the people who knows better than me.
Visit ecology.wa.gov/product replacement to learn more about reimbursements today. And let's make Washington a PERC-free dry cleaning state.